To conclude our entire course of AI-powered content creation with InVideo AI, it's time to reflect upon what we have learned and what we have made by using InVideo AI. We begin by identifying who can benefit the most from using InVideo AI and explore the various types of video you can create with InVideo AI. Example from social media clips to detailed explainer videos. Further in this course, we also took the full potential of InVideo AI features such as workflows, magic box, voice cloning, editing our video by edit media, as well as by editing our script, as well as you learn how to write better prompts from creating accurate and desired videos. To summarize all of the above, first of all, congratulations on completing this course and understanding how you can leverage InVideo AI to create stunning and amazing videos and to grow your content creation journey. So thank you for joining us, and I will see you next time.